Has President Obama just been handed a new political headache by the man he shares the ticket with? In a Weekend TV interview, Vice President Biden declared he's absolutely comfortable with men marrying men and women marrying women, and they should have the same exact rights as heterosexual couples. Gay rights groups cheered the remark.
Most people heard what he had to say and heard it as his personal support for same-sex marriage.
But the White House insisted Biden was not staking out new ground.
A little bit of an overreaction here. The vice president supports and made clear he supports the president's policies.
And it says Obama stands by his assertion of 2 Decembers ago that his views on gay marriage are evolving. The president has been walking a fine line on this issue, loudly cheering increasing acceptance of gay couples, but studiously avoiding an outright endorsement of gay marriage that could trigger a stampede by anti-gay rights voters at the polls. Complicating things, Education Secretary Arne Duncan now says flat out he supports same-sex marriage. For Obama, gay rights issues have been problematic, from the twists and turns of the military's ban on openly gay troops to a not yet issued order barring discrimination by federal contractors. But Obama still wins widespread plaudits and campaign donations from gay and lesbian voters.
And that's because of his unparalleled record in support of LGBT rights. That includes the fight to repeal successfully Don't Ask, Don't Tell.
And aides say it's light years better than Mitt Romney's flat-out opposition to same-sex marriage. But how much longer can it take to evolve?
We continue to press, we continue to push, and we continue to do everything we can to inspire and compel this president to come out in favor of marriage equality.
Question is, will backers like these continue marching to the polls if he doesn't before November? Mark Smith, The Associated Press, The White House.